Dear England.
Wales.
Manchester.
Dear London.
Reporting that one woman has died.
Young. Old.
Dear Christians.
Muslims.
Jews.
Atheists.
Sikhs.
Buddhists.
Hindus.
Whoever.
Police, they've started shouting for us to move.
Dear Labour. Conservative.
Liberals.
Whatever. Dear you.
This is a message to your heart.
There is more that unites us.
Than divides us.
There's more hope.
Than fear.
We will not hide.
But we won't take defeat.
Or step aside.
Because this is the place in our hearts, in our homes.
We will stand.
Together.
Because this is the place that's a part of our bone.
We will step up.
Will you?
Will you stand with us? Will you volunteer?